Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a travel document in the Volotea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the Add button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down and look for the Travel Documents button and click on that. And then click on the plus sign. So first you have to set some passenger information like the second first name, the country, the date of birth, and then some travel document information, if it's a ID card, a passport, and then you have to provide a number, of course, the date of expiry, and the country again. And once you did everything, just click on the save button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.